Is this on? Yeah, it's on. This is my craziest cat moment.
He claims to know why Gary was shot.
Okay, when can you be down here?
20 minutes later.
Thanks for coming here to talk to me. How did you find out? Who gave you a call and something?
Cousin Tony. He said his brother got shot. I said, what? My thought came from his friend.
I'm hoping you saw all that.